जोश हमारी पहचान, सैन फ्रांसिस है महामान। रंगों न सजा आसमां, खुशियों का है नया जहां। सपनों की उड़ा लिए हम बढ़ते हैं गिर लिए। ताली बजाओ झूमो रे, दिल से दिल अब झूमे रे। हर चेहरा मुस्कान भरा, फ्रांसिस नाम है सबसे प्यारा। चलो चलो सैन फ्रांसिस, दिल से दिल का मेल है। नाचो गाओ मस्त हो जाओ, ये हमारा खेल है। चलो चलो सैन फ्रांसिस, सपनों का ये समा ये है। आज की रात हमारी है, हर पल में दम रे। सैन फ्रांसिस टीचर बोले शाबाश बेटा, दोस्त तो संग है मस्ती का टेका। हंसी ठिठोली गाना बजाना, फ्रांसिस का है ये जमाना। हाथा चुकाओ साथ गाओ, दिल की धड़कन पर झूम जाओ। प्यार भरा हर दिल का नाच, फ्रांसिस में है सबका साथ। चलो चलो सैन फ्रांसिस, दिल से दिल का मेल है। नाचो गाओ मस्त हो जाओ, ये हमारा खेल है। चलो चलो सैन फ्रांसिस, सपनों का ये समय है। आज की रात हमारी है, हर पल में दम है। मान है बेस्ट, हम है। किसका फेस्ट, हम है। हस्ती कहो FRANCIS, हुर्रे क्या। चलो चलो सैन फ्रांसिस, तेरी शान निराली है। तल तल कोले हर छुपा गए, प्रोफेस हमारी आली है। आउटरो देखे तो चमकते रहो, सपनों को सच में बदलते रहो। सैन फ्रांसिस सैन फ्रांसिस, चलो चलो सैन फ्रांसिस। हमारा जोश हमारी पहचान, सैन फ्रांसिस है महामान। रंगों न सजा आसमां, खुशियों का है नया जहां। सपनों की उड़ा लिए हम बढ़ते हैं गिर लिए। ताली बजाओ झूमो रे, दिल से दिल अब झूमे रे। हर चेहरा मुस्कान भरा, फ्रांसिस नाम है सबसे प्यारा। चलो चलो सैन फ्रांसिस, दिल से दिल का मेल है। नाचो गाओ मस्त हो जाओ, ये हमारा खेल है। चलो चलो सैन फ्रांसिस, सपनों का ये समा ये है। आज की रात हमारी है, हर पल में दम रे। सैन फ्रांसिस टीचर बोले शाबाश बेटा, दोस्त तो संग है मस्ती का टेका। हंसी ठिठोली गाना बजाना, फ्रांसिस का है ये जमाना। हाथा चुकाओ साथ गाओ, दिल की धड़कन पर झूम जाओ। प्यार भरा हर दिल का नाच, फ्रांसिस में है सबका साथ। चलो चलो सैन फ्रांसिस, दिल से दिल का मेल है। नाचो गाओ मस्त हो जाओ, ये हमारा खेल है। चलो चलो सैन फ्रांसिस, सपनों का ये समय है। आज की रात हमारी है, हर पल में दम है। मान है बेस्ट, चमकते रहो, सपनों को सच में बदलते रहो। सैन फ्रांसिस्को, चलो चलो सैन फ्रांसिस्को। हमारा जोश हमारी पहचान, सैन फ्रांसिस्को है महामान। रंगों न सजा आसमां, खुशियों का है नया जहां। सपनों की उड़ान लिए हम बढ़ते हैं गीत लिए। ताली बजाओ झूमो रे, दिल से दिल अब झूमे रे। हर चेहरा मुस्कान भरा, फ्रांसिस नाम है सबसे प्यारा। चलो चलो सैन फ्रांसिस्को, दिल से दिल का मेल है। नाचो गाओ मस्त हो जाओ, ये हमारा खेल है। चलो चलो सैन फ्रांसिस्को, सपनों का ये समा ये है। आज की रात हमारी है, हर पल में दम रे। सैन फ्रांसिस्को। टीचर बोले शाबाश बेटा, दोस्त तो संग है मस्ती का डेका। हंसी ठिठोली गाना बजाना, फ्रांसिस का है ये जमाना। हाथ झुकाओ साथ गाओ, दिल की धड़कन पर झूम जाओ। प्यार भरा हर दिल का नाच, फ्रांसिस में है सबका साथ। चलो चलो सैन फ्रांसिस्को, दिल से दिल का मेल है। नाचो गाओ मस्त हो जाओ, ये हमारा खेल है। चलो चलो सैन फ्रांसिस्को, सपनों का ये समय है। आज की रात हमारी है, हर पल में दम है। मान है बेस्ट, हम है। किसका फेस्ट, हम है। हस्ती कहो FRANCIS, हुर्रे क्या। चलो चलो सैन फ्रांसिस्को, तेरी शान निराली है। दल दल तोले हर छुपा गए, फोकस हमारी आली है। आउटरो चाहिए तो चमकते रहो, सपनों को सच में बदलते रहो। सैन फ्रांसिस्को, चलो चलो सैन फ्रांसिस्को। हमारा जोश हमारी पहचान, सैन फ्रांसिस्को है महामान। रंगों न सजा आसमां, खुशियों का है नया जहां। सपनों की उड़ान लिए हम बढ़ते हैं गीत लिए। ताली बजाओ झूमो रे, दिल से दिल अब झूमे रे। हर चेहरा मुस्कान भरा, फ्रांसिस नाम है सबसे प्यारा। चलो चलो सैन फ्रांसिस्को।
Hello everybody, I am Jyotis University, a student from St. Francis Girls High School. We have studied in our school. We have many stalls, many stalls, games, and some of the teachers are so supportive here. All the contribution of this fair, school fair is going to the people of Mursi. Is going to the people who are affected by the Mursi. I think. So I'm Lasya from 10th standard. Here we are having a fete in our school. Every year our principal, that is Sister Grace, will connect. And there's a food stalls and many other varieties. We just enjoy this as weekend, second Saturday. Stalls and games also. I'm the ex-student of St. Francis, so I'm covering the event for people to know what kind of a service we as St. Francis students and teachers do for the society. So I would just like you to talk on this so that our people will come to know, our students will come to know about it.
Very good morning to you. It's really glad that ex-student is taking having a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
And I'm very happy to introduce myself. This is Margaret Isaac, LKG teacher, and we all are teachers. And we do this fete every year. We do this fete.
Yeah, it's been for many years as such.
This is for a charity purpose. This is for a charity purpose. Only for charity, not for us. This is only for
St.
charity.
Francis has been doing charity for many years.
Yes, many years. And I am really happy to be in the part of St. Francis. That's it. Thank you. Good morning, sir. This is on behalf of St. Francis. We are here to do charity. We are charity-based school over here. We help people in many ways. We keep on doing all these fetes and other programs also. Thank you. And my name
This charity is for Mursi River affected people, right?
Yes. Should I tell that? Yeah. Right after the Mursi
Ex-student of St. Francis, so I'm here to cover the event. I'm from 2000 batch, so I just wanted people to know we do a lot of from St. Francis. We do a lot of service to the society. So if you just tell a few words about the school as well as how you feel being here.
Okay. Hi everyone. Actually, nice to hear that he is the ex-student of the St. Francis. My kid is studying in LKG section, so that's why I came here. After seeing this everything, it is very nice. It is fantastic. After seeing this teachers and serving everything, it is really good.
Do you know these funds are given for the charity purpose and St. Francis does a lot of charity?
Yes, I know.
Thank you so much. Hi ma'am, this is Shreya. I'm the ex-student of St. Francis. I have come to let people know that we, St. Francis, usually do a lot of charity to the society. So I've come, all this fund will be going to the Mursi River for affected people.
That's right.
So just one word about how do you feel being a part of St. Francis?
Very good. A very good morning to each one of you. My name is Anupama Anthony, and I've been associated with this wonderful historic school of Secunderabad for the past 16 years. My daughter was studying here from LKG to 10th. Now she is passed out her 10th and intermediate, and she's studying in degree first year. And I've been working here for the past 10 years.
And 10 years, we have been experiencing wonderful things over here. Not just fun, not just family feeling. It's more about prayers. We are all bounded by prayers towards each other. And these prayers have brought us so long that each one of us have experienced the presence of God. And wherever the presence of God is there, definitely love is there, service is there, charity is there. And it is with this motto that we are going ahead of this year's Onion Fest. And we are thinking about the main thing about having this fest this year is to give relief to all the people who have been affected for the floods in Hyderabad. It was very saddening to see that part, and we as Franciscans, we are just doing our small bit part to do what we can. I really appreciate your presence in the school. As an ex-student to take up this, opportunity, you made it a wonderful moment for all of us. It's a memorable moment.
It should be a memory for all of us. It's been a memory. It's been so many years that St. Francis has been conducting this event, and every year we collect lakhs and crores of rupees to the society, and we give it to the society back. And no, as I can say, I have never seen any of the school doing this. I'm proud to say that my school does it, even after so many years of doing the same thing.
We are very happy to have you back in our campus. It feels, I must have not taught you, but we still feel together.
Yes.
To the Franciscan family, we will continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep us in your prayers as we pray for your all well-being.
Sure, ma'am.
Have a wonderful day. Thank you so
Thank you,
much
ma'am.
for this golden opportunity.
Hello, I'm Pranavi. I'm from 2015 batch, and when I heard that the FET event was going on today, I couldn't wait to come here.
Yeah, it's been a wonderful. It's always been wonderful for being back to school.
It is. And when I look at some of my friends are teachers here right now, so it's absolutely surreal looking at them surrounded by children who used to wear our uniforms and all.
So very happy to be a part of this school.
I know, I agree, because whenever I go, my colleagues keep asking me, like, how am I confident? How do I not have stage fright? Or how do I communicate? I feel like all the credit goes to my school.
Yes.
Because they taught me this confidence and discipline.
Yeah, the school has given us a lot of confidence as well. It has. Hi, I'm Shreya. I'm the ex-student of St. Francis. Very proud to be here. And I would like to know, how do you feel being a part of the St. Francis School as well?
Yeah, I'm the ex-student of St. Francis. I am feel very proud of this moment when it comes to the fest. I remember my old memories. It comes back to me. Yeah, I'm very excited by seeing all of their parents cooperating with the teachers, and the teachers are doing very wonderful job over here. I'm very happy for this.
How do you feel, ma'am? Every year, St. Francis gives a lot of charity for the people outside and to the school children who cannot contribute to their education. They give them an opportunity to, in terms of scholarship, to go ahead getting the best of the education.
Yes, yeah, I too feel it's a good charity. We are learning from the school to do a good charity to others. Helping is, sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. That is what I feel this. It's ought to be this opportunity of what we have given.
Thank you so much. कैसा लग रहा है आपको ये स्कूल में रहकर? How do you feel being in a school?
I feel so happy. I like to be in this school.
What does the school teach you?
School gives me manners. Like regular teachers. They care for us.
Okay, thank you. Hi, I'm the ex-student of St. Francis. So I'm here to cover this event today to let the people know that St. Francis does a lot of charity. How do you feel being here, ma'am?
It feels great because first thing I observed when I came in, whatever the song is playing, everyone is in the same rhythm, everyone grooving to the same song. So it feels good that everybody is enjoying the event, and also the great thing is that everything that is earned from this thing will go to the charity. So that's the best
Do you know
part.
that for so many years, St. Francis is giving a lot of charity to the people of the society?
I didn't knew about it, but then when I put my daughter in this school, since then I've been like every year they make us.
Is she your daughter?
Yes, that's my daughter, and every year they make something or the like donations. They'll ask each and every class to bring something or the other, so that they collectively give it to the charity.
So how do you feel the child is learning so many things? It's learning charity, it's learning discipline.
Yes, though it's a small step, but if you put all the items together, you'll come to know that every drop makes an ocean. So our little contribution will go a long way.
And we all know that St. Francis is one of the schools which has been the girls' school in Secunderabad, and it's been for the ages till now. So how do you feel?
This year, I'm one of the parents of SMC group. So I came to know this year that the school will be celebrating 175 years. So it feels like I'm feeling proud that my daughter is part of this institution.
Can you talk about your daughter? How do you feel about her being a part of this school?
Being a part of this, I don't know if I must tell it or no, but when I was in 10th class, I had a friend of the same school. So when I used to look at her, I feel like whenever I get married, if I have a daughter, I should definitely put her into this school.
That's very nice to hear.
But yes, even in my office, I have many colleagues from the same school, same college. So I know the outcome. Like if you put into the school, it is overall development for the child. So I definitely wanted, even before my daughter was born, since that time I have been praying that my daughter should get admission into this school. I'm feeling proud that she's part of this school.
3 cheers to our school.
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Thank you. Sunna, how do you feel being a part of the school?
I am Prasanna Lakshmi from St. Francis, and it's such a proud moment to be a part of the school. That too as Cecilia's vice captain. It's a very proud moment for me, as whatever the school is doing is going to charity. It's very happy to be such kind and a generous school that I'm part of, and I'm very proud, happy, and I can't explain it in words.
So what does the school teach you?
It taught me many things like generosity. Whatever we do, it goes to charity. And what I believe the school has taught me is something that I can't explain in words. It taught me generosity. It taught me so many things that I cannot put into words. I think my self-confidence has developed because of this school.
How do you feel about your teachers?
My teachers, I think they're the best kind that I find. And to be honest, whoever teachers who have taught me, they've inspired me. They've taken me through great heights. They've showed me the highs and lows, and I feel it's because of them that I'm standing over here in this position.
Very good. And I want to know, being a part of St. Francis, you learned so much about the school. We want to thank all your teachers loudly, to the principal, to the teachers, 3 cheers to the school and the teachers. Hip hip hooray! Jatika! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Cheers to St. Francis! Come on! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! We love your school! We love your school!
This is Jana, 2023-24. The school taught me mental aspects of
coming to the school today feels like, that nostalgia hits me very hard. And I really feel so happy and grateful to come back again. Every single place wherever I go, I get all those memories onto my mind. And, I feel like I'm still living in the moment. I'm still in my 10th class, sitting in the same class and enjoying every moment with my friends. It really is a very great feeling coming and meeting all my teachers over here. Looking at them feels like I found half part of mine. It's really the great feeling for me.
Can you tell who were your teachers at your time?
So what's my last class teacher?
Yeah.
Shandy teacher is my class in charge. She's the most wonderful person I've ever seen on this earth. The way she used to motivate me, encourage me, and take part in every single activity. And she gave me a chance of becoming the school cabinet. That is really very grateful to me, and I'm really thankful for her for giving me that opportunity that made me come over here.
How do you feel about coming back to school after finishing school and being a part of this fate?
Of course, I feel very happy. I can't express that happiness. Those goosebumps, it's really unexpressible.
3 years to the school. 3 years to the school.
Yeah, of course.
Can you please share your experience of being with St. Francis?
Yeah, even I'm an ex-student of St. Francis.
Wow.
In 84 batch.
Okay.
Like studying in the same school and working in the same school gave me an awesome experience. And where we can come down to the students, the level, and how we could understand them and make them a little more better. Earlier we had a bigger ground and we were studying over here and the buildings were different. Now infrastructure is grown and definitely it's a good thing.
And the school is still not changed. It's been the same.
Works for the charity, works for love and affection and whatever you
And everybody is treated equally here.
Yes, of course.
Anything else? Ma'am, can I know your experience of being with St. Francis?
Yes, I'm one of the staff of St. Francis Girls' School, and this is Kamini. And we are very glad to work here with girl children. And not only we have many co-curricular activities nowadays, included both karate and all the other activities, which are very helpful to the girl children. And our management supports us very, very well all the way.
And every year the school does a lot of charity to the society. How do you feel about that?
Our business of charity, our management and our business of charity, they will participate in every activity and they will go to the needy people in all the schools, to improve the school area. Within the school, they will go out, they will meet out of the school also. And we are very happy to work here.
So thank you so much for giving so much of knowledge, education, teaching them discipline, teaching them charity, teaching them so many things. And you are our motto. Yes, contact to love is our motto.
Water bottle, please take picture. I'm Shiva Suhasini. I'm working here in St. Francis from 17 years and it's been a great privilege to work in this institution and we are the part of St. Francis and here the faculty members are very good, and we give lot of preference to not only to studies but activity-based studies and it's been 175 years of St. Francis and here this is a great privilege to be a part of this fete and this fete is for the parents and all the family members and all the students and because they enjoy, they interact with one another and it's a great privilege actually to be a part of the St. Francis and we have good faculty in the St. Francis.
Video
And we have a good management too. And we have the foundation is the founders of the St. Francis are really we can follow them, and we can walk according to that and the footsteps, because this is based on the charity. Okay, and charity is very important in our life, because without charity we cannot have a good life. So we are very happy to be a part of this St. Francis, and it is open to all, for all the people. All are welcome from different colleges, schools. Okay, and all the parents are welcome to this fete, and we are honored and we are very privileged to be in this part of St. Francis.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. We, the teachers from St. Francis Girls High School, we are here. We are arranging this gala fete. It is for a good cause, for the people who are being suffered for the cyclone. And we have yummy dishes here prepared, hot, and we have wonderful games where children love to play these games. So this is about our school, and our school is noted for discipline, punctuality, and the children who have finished their 10th, they have been in a very good form also. They are the ex-students, most of them are abroad and in good profession. So this is about our school, and we love St. Francis. St. Francis, you rock.
Yes, thank you. School is very low fee, and all the amenities are available in the school, and good education is being provided here. And we do a lot of charity also. Now this fete what we are running, it is for charity basis.
So this fete is going from years and going from when we have started. And we also give a scholarship to the students also.
Yes, very much.
So how do you feel about being in the school, ma'am?
I feel really proud of being a part of this institution. Really, it's working wonders here. Like the students who have passed out also, they are well settled, and most of them are working.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
So I'm Sasha, passed out year is 2022, and it's been 4 years I came back to school again, and it's so great to meet everyone again. And what school taught me is how to live life. Actually, that is what we got from the school.
The school motto of our school is conquer through love.
Through love. Yeah.
What do you feel about that?
That is how we have to win every situation. That's what we get it.
So our school has been very disciplined, taught us punctuality, discipline, and a lot of things. How do you feel about that?
Oh, we feel very great to be a part of this school, and we just love to be back here again. I'm Rebecca. I'm from 10th A 2022 batch. I'm pretty very excited because after almost 4 years we are coming here, and seeing everyone, everything else stays almost. We didn't have the play area, we used to struggle to enter there. And they are toppers. Sure, they are toppers. I am very chill kid who used to enjoy with friends and all. So teachers and everything, they used to remember me a lot. So meeting everyone, going to each and everything, especially the NCC thing and the disciplinary we used to have. It's very helpful nowadays because now the generation is very outreach, but we, the farm teachers, we have the disciplinary. I'm proud to say that I'm a farm teacher now. Hello everyone, I'm Vaishnavi, 2022 pass out batch. I've always been that topper nerd kid who's teacher's favorite. So now I go around, every teacher recognizes me with my surname. And there are teachers who still have my classwork from my 6th standard. One major change was the infrastructure we missed. I remember roaming from block to block, tiring, it was very tiring. And now I see all the skyscrapers, we have all these means that it's just so good that the college has developed so much in terms of infrastructure. We also miss a lot of faculty that taught us back when we studied. You miss all those old teachers and now we come back to see our teachers who are aging backwards. It is so nice to see, and St. Francis have this legacy, especially in the Twin Cities, one of the best colleges and schools for foundation. I think I realized my dream, my goal in life through St. Francis. I remember my social studies, Shanti teacher telling me, you have a very good voice, use it for the right purpose. Now I'm here doing my bachelor's in mass communication and journalism. Wow, awesome. So that's how teachers have always encouraged us to live up to your dreams, and it's a balance of your studies. We used to have this amalgam science exhibition. Just like that, the school is an amalgamation of discipline, education, co-curricular activities, competitions, trips, picnics, a very good faculty and the helping staff. And we miss a lot of helping staff. We miss our own principal who would add a random classical step into our sports drill. It's very nice to be back. A lot of nostalgia and memories. Thank you. That was awesome. Thank you.
అరేంజ్మెంట్స్ అంతా బాగానే ఉన్నది. ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ అయితే ఈ ఫీట్ అంటే స్పెషల్లీ నేను దీనికోసమనే వస్తాను నేను. ఐ లైక్ వెరీ మచ్ ఫుడ్స్ అరేంజ్మెంట్ అంతా పర్ఫెక్ట్గా అరేంజ్మెంట్ చేస్తున్నారు వీళ్ళు. వాటర్ కానీ నార్మల్ పేరెంట్స్ కానీ ఎటువంటి ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు.
స్కూల్లో మీరు మీ పాప ఏ క్లాస్ చదువుతుంది? స్కూల్ ఎలా ఉందో? ఎడ్యుకేషన్ వాళ్ళ స్కూల్ ఎలా ఉంది?
ఎడ్యుకేషన్ 101% బెటర్ ఉన్నది ఫర్ గర్ల్స్. మా పాప క్లాస్ 6th పబ్లిక్ తన పేరు. మా బాబు తను సికింద్రా పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్ అనమాట 4th A.
So my name is Jenny Jain, and I'm very proud to be a St. Francian, as it is the only girls school present here, and like it is a very proud school to be, where we get to be teach moral values. All the teachers are excellently skilled. The teachers not even lessons but life lessons, and I'm very proud to be a student of the school, and it feels very fun coming here, teaching, learning moral values and having a lot of fun with teachers. The teachers are not just our teachers but even our mothers, and we feel so loved by them, and it is the only girls school present in this area, and I really love my school and I'm really proud of it.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు భవ్యశ్రీ. నేను 5th క్లాస్ లో చదువుతున్నాను. నేను నా స్కూల్ పేరు నేను 5th క్లాస్. నాకు మా స్కూల్లో మస్తు గేమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. నచ్చిన ఒక గేమ్, అలాగే నిన్నేమో ఫౌండేషన్ అయినది. అలాగే నిన్న సాయంత్రం 2 o'clock అలా స్కూల్ అయిపోయేలోపు రిఫ్రెష్మెంట్ తర్వాత వచ్చే పాడుకున్నాం. లాస్ట్ క్లాస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Girls High School, it's actually a very old school, a very good institution for the girl students. The education is very good. The faculty, they are very well educated and they teach discipline and all. It's a very good school, though it is the SSC contents are there. Here the values of the school is
The values of the school is good. It's a very old institution, very reputed institution, and our family is a Franciscan family. So all our cousins have been educated from this school only, and the values what teachers teach to the students are very good. They are very disciplined. Being a minority institution, and the sisters, missionary sisters are over here, so they teach in the school is perfect discipline, and the English speaking of here is very good. So we are honored to be a part of St. Francis family. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Shreya. I'm from My Entertainment. Love to hear your opinion about St. Francis today.
Okay, so it's been 4 years since we've come here today. I'm from 22 batch, and it kind of feels weird meeting teachers and all, but okay, that was overwhelming. We enjoyed meeting people, and these are my friends.
Okay.
This is Hasini Puri and Harshali.
Hi.
They are actually classmates. Would you like to share your opinion?
I just feel, just put it over. That will be easier.
I feel so happy coming back to school. Of course, school is still an emotion for us. When we just think about school, I still maybe start crying. I have that home vibe whenever I come here, no matter what the people is. But that school architecture and all feels me the same. And now meeting my friends after so long, and we are very happy actually meeting them back. And also no change, we have that same vibe with us, with all of our friends. Yeah, I'm very happy meeting them. But then what school taught us is the leadership skills, the way we interact, and even being from a girls' high school, I found myself different from others who have come from the same background. Because that is what I have learned from there. I was school captain, and
nice.
that gave me a great experience. And I'm happy it has taught me life lessons apart from the academics and curriculum itself. So
how do you feel the school has so many activities nowadays? The feel is the school is taking karate, the school is taking part in international karate competitions and all. How do you feel that?
We feel proud of it, and at the same time, I even feel bad because when we were there, we weren't given that opportunity. And I mean, the year we passed out, the next batch was taken for an excursion. I mean, that is so bad, obviously. But then, okay, I feel good for our school.
Thank you. వస్తున్నాను. నేను ఈ స్కూల్ కి ఎక్స్ స్టూడెంట్. ఐ పాస్డ్ అవుట్ హియర్ ఫ్రమ్ 98 బ్యాచ్. ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ నేను ఇన్ని ఇయర్స్ అయినా కూడా ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ నేను ఈ సైట్కి వస్తాను. మీకు ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది ఈ స్కూల్?
నేను శ్రీనివాస్ అండి. ఐఎమ్ ద పేరెంట్ ఆఫ్ సాయి ప్రతిమ ఆఫ్ 8th class నౌ. మా పాపని ఇక్కడ స్కూల్లో జాయిన్ చేయడానికి చాలా కష్టపడ్డాం. 3 months మేము వెయిట్ చేసాం అడ్మిషన్ కోసం.
ఓకే.
ఆ తర్వాత చాలా బాగుంది. మేము ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ కూడా వస్తుంటాం ఇక్కడికి. పెట్టి చాలా బాగా కండక్ట్ చేస్తారు. సో నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఫెడ్, ఏ ఈవెంట్ అయినా కూడా చాలా చక్కగా ఆర్గనైజ్ చేస్తారు. చాలా బాగుంటుంది. ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ తరానికి కూడా చాలా బాగుంటుంది స్కూల్ కూడా. సో రిలేటివ్స్ లో వాళ్ళకు కూడా సజెస్ట్ చేస్తాం ఇక్కడ రావడం.
ఈ స్కూల్ చాలా చారిటీ చేస్తారు సొసైటీ కోసము. సో ఐ యు వెరీ హ్యాపీ బీయింగ్ అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ స్కూల్?
ఎక్సలెంట్ మేడం, ఎక్సలెంట్ స్కూల్ ఇది. నేను చాలా వెయిట్ చేశాను స్కూల్ అడ్మిషన్ కోసం ఇక్కడ. ఐఎమ్ ఫీలింగ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. చాలా బాగుంది.
ఓన్లీ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది స్కూల్స్ విచ్ హాస్ ఓన్లీ ఎవరికైతే గర్ల్స్ స్పెషల్లీ ఉందో గర్ల్స్ కి ఎన్నో నేర్పిస్తున్నారు. చాలా చాలా డెవలప్ చేశారు స్కూల్ కి ఇయర్స్ నుంచి. సో హౌ డు యూ ఫీల్ అబౌట్ దట్?
ఇంతకు ముందు కాకుండా అప్పుడు మేము ఎల్కేజీ స్టార్టింగ్ యూకేజీ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు కాకుండా ఇప్పుడు చూస్తే డిజిటల్ క్లాసెస్ ఎన్హాన్స్ చేశారు. పిల్లలకి మన గేమ్స్ అండ్ స్పోర్ట్స్ అండ్ ఎన్సీసీ ఇవన్నీ కూడా చాలా బాగా ఆర్గనైజ్ చేస్తున్నారు. బాగుంటుందండి స్కూల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్.
Hello, I'm an ex-student of St. Francis, and working again in St. Francis is a great privilege. I am blessed and feel very lucky to work in such an esteemed institution where I'm working with my own teachers who taught me, and now I'm their colleagues. Thank you.
How do you feel getting back to school as such? Being back to
I'm
your school?
refreshed by my memories, like how I used to be in school. It is very
Are your teachers still there, ma'am?
yes, this is my Telugu teacher. Nice. Thank you so much.
తెలుగులో చెప్పిన పర్వాలేదు.
నేను తెలుగులోనే చెప్తాను.
నో ప్రాబ్లం.
నేను తెలుగు టీచర్.
ఓకే. సో మ్యామ్ మీకు ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది సెయింట్ ఫ్రాన్సిస్ లో ఉంది? ఎప్పటి నుంచి ఉన్నారు మిస్ ఈ స్కూల్లో?
నేను 22 years కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. 23 years.
ఓ దట్ ఈస్ నైస్. సో మీకు ఈ స్కూల్లో ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది? హౌ ఇస్ ద మేనేజ్మెంట్? హౌ ఇస్
ఓకే, మేనేజ్మెంట్ సైడ్ చాలా గుడ్. నాకు అంటే ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చినా కానీ తీసుకొని సాల్వ్ చేస్తాను.
మీకు ఎలా దిస్ ఇస్ ఒకటే స్కూల్ ట్విన్ సిటీస్ లో వేర్ గర్ల్స్ ఆర్ గివెన్ ద బెస్ట్ ఫెసిలిటీస్ as such. How do you feel about that? మీకు ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది?
చాలా గ్రేట్ గా ఫీల్ అవుతాను. అంటే ఓన్లీ గర్ల్స్ కి స్కూల్ ప్లస్ మంచి ఎడ్యుకేషన్, మంచి ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్.
అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ వస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ how many of you they still remember you?
చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు. కాకపోతే వాళ్ళు ఎదురుగా వస్తే ఇంకా గుర్తొస్తారు. వాళ్ళు రాగానే సో హ్యాపీ. అంటే నా పిల్లల్ని చూస్తే ఎలా సంతోషంగా అనిపిస్తుందో అలా. సెయింట్ ఫ్రాన్సిస్
Very, very proud to be a part of St. Francis because this school is like everything for us. This school is not just like this focuses only on academics like other private schools and all, but overall you have a lot of growth here. You have sports equally, you have culturals equally. As you see, this program is also so like lively.
Do you get goosebumps coming back to the school?
No, I don't, but not as much as you would ask for the previous batches because it's just been 2 years since I've left the school. So I'm coming back since like it's like I come back home always. So it's the same thing, same feeling like coming back home. Meeting all these new teachers, there are so many new faculty members, but then there are also people who we regularly see. So
But what do you feel about the school? What do you feel about your teachers? What are the
teachers here are like the best teachers I can say. Based on the standards of how minority institution, how convent schools run, this school is like the best. So when you talk about convent schools these days, still people have the feeling of English. Here that you get that quality here. So it's obviously in the Twin Cities best girls schools, convent schools, you have the schools. And the junior college and degree college as well. I'm a student there. आप our principals, I just forget to tell that. It is just like, our principals, when we were here, we joined the school in around 2010. So we had Sister Lily back then, and now we are, there was a change in principal. After some time in 2014, we had Sister Kamali Tanya. Then now we have Sister Gracie. All three of them, I must say, dynamic principals, honestly. Because the number of events we have, you go through even our school has the YouTube channel as well as the Instagram page. When you go to their pages and see, you know how much it actually is applicable. Whatever I'm telling you, the liveliness, the students' energy, the staff, the management, everyone. So yeah, please go follow them on Instagram and YouTube.
Hi, ma'am. How do you feel coming back to the school?
Very great feeling. So I studied here for 10 years from first class to 10th class, and she's my friend. She's here now working as a teacher in St. Francis School. So it's a lovely memory. Every year on October 4th, we used to have a school day, and we were so eagerly waiting for the lucky day.
Yeah.
Lucky day, we were waiting what just we will get. And so it's lovely. We played. I brought my daughter also, and we are thoroughly enjoying this trip. And then we played games, we had some food and all. Come on, yeah. So really very memorable event. So very thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice, ma'am.
So, any message to our own students?
Parking problem. Parking problem is there. Like small days, the same thing since we were in school. So maybe the road should be widened or arrange some other parking, at least in this place. Like so that we can come. But we have to keep our car very far off and walk from it. That's the only thing. But overall is okay, very well. Nothing else. And organizing is also very, and so many games and food is also very tasty. Took some bhajis, took some chaat and all. Very tasty.
And sister keeps up with the hygiene.
Yeah, that is it.
Very nice. Very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you.
do you feel being a part of St. Francis?
It was very beautiful. We made many memories here. We made some records in the Polish yeah. Our class became like it'll be known to everyone. There is every teacher of the school, every worker of the school. Yes.
So, which batch were you from?
2022.
2023. So, who was your principal then? Okay. Who are your teachers at that point of time?
Our best teacher was Anupama teacher. My teacher, Padma Notale teacher. I love her so much. From first class. She was my class teacher in first class. Then from then on, we love her.
How did you get to know about the faith here?
From our juniors and
Okay.
yeah.
Are you still in touch with the school? Are you still in touch with the people of our school?
Yeah, definitely. We will every day we want to come to school. We have many juniors who text us. We will talk to them.
What did the school teach you?
Conquered through love. Conquered through love. It taught us that.
Yes, that is true.
Yes.
It taught us to love everybody and give everybody the same respect. And our school has never teach, what do you say, has never differentiate people on any basis. How do you feel about that?
It has never differentiated. Everyone it taught us many things like how to behave in hardships and like everything.
So, our school is the best school in the Twin Cities. Do you agree to that?
Yes, I totally agree. It was the best. It will remain the best.
You want to talk? Okay, we'll take a picture. I'm the ex-student of the St. Francis School. Very happy to be here, and we are very proud to be a student of this school. We have done a lot of charity to the society. We learned that St. Francis has always taught us to be disciplined. They taught us to be giving charity to the poor, and there's a lot of things that we have brought from our school. So we just want you to give a few words to our ex-students and all the people who are around to just say about our school.
I'm so glad that you have come back to our school and nice meeting you. We are conducting this fete on behalf of the Chadargarh slums which were washed away in the Musi River due to this heavy rains in Dasara holidays. So we were asked by our authority to conduct fete so that we can reach out to many poor. And so our children also contributing and parents themselves came forward to put up stalls. It's a family fete, I can say, not only school, it's a family fete.
Yes, it has always been a family. St. Francis has always been a family.
Yeah, that's what is really good. And when I see the happy faces and ex-students, my heart fills with joy. Thanks for coming.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Thank you so much.
साथ चले तो हर रहा आसान, तेरे बिना सब कुछ वीरान। दोस्ती का रिश्ता जैसे आसमान, दिल से जुड़ा कभी ना हो नुकसान।
दोस्ती की रोशनी हर गम मिटाए, साथ निभाए, हर पल जगमगाए।
तेरा साथ है तो सब मुमकिन, जिंदगी का सफर लगे सजीव यकीन। मुश्किलों में तू बना ढाल, तेरे साथ है दर्द बेमिसाल। हंसी ठिठोली गहरे ख्वाब, तेरे बिना सब अधूरे जवाब। यादें तेरी हर कोने में बसी, तेरे बिना दिल की गली सूनी सी। हर सफर में तेरा नाम गूंजे, दोस्ती का सुर हर दिल में बजे।
दोस्ती की रोशनी हर गम मिटाए, साथ निभाए, हर पल जगमगाए।
तेरा साथ vive aqui.